Okay, we need to have an intervention with you.
Shut up.
You're too Disney-fied.
I love Disney.
You're singing Tangled.
I love Tangled.
You've been singing like Disney songs since you got in the car today.
I've got you. Shut up. No judgment.
Judging. Just internet judge. Judge.
Right. Question is, what Disney song is next?
Oh God.
That's a trick question.
Yeah, tell me about it. Okay, just add your email already.
I will. No, Disney.
You're Disney-addicted.
I have 11 Disney songs. Why don't I have more?
Cause, just pick a song.
How about Let It Go?
Of course. Of course, you have Let It Go.
Of course I have Let It Go.
Oh my God, that song is overplayed.
Is it?
Yeah, I know, right? You need to let it go. Just listen to the song and let it go. This is entertaining to watch.
Yes.
I'm just saying. What is making? Wow, you just fail. You fail. You fail at life. Comfy down there, Lily? Huh?
Lights fade out.
I think she's just high.
What are you doing? He's like, I see puppies. Give me the puppy.
I need to go get a collar for Miss Lily.
You need a collar, Lily, huh? This is her. I don't know why she's so comfortable down there.